Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on Wix step by step. Once you're inside the Wix editor, the first thing you want to do is look at the top left corner and click the plus icon. This opens the Add panel, which is basically where all the building elements for your website are stored. From here, go into the Media section, because that's where Wix keeps everything related to images, audio, and video. Since we only want to add a single YouTube video and not a full gallery or background video, scroll down and select Single Video Players. Inside this section, you'll see different video sources you can use, including YouTube. Now click and drag the YouTube element onto your page. As you move it around, you'll see alignment guides appear that help you place it neatly within your layout. These guides are really useful because they help keep everything centered and balanced on your page. Drop the video wherever it fits best in your design. Don't worry too much about perfect placement right now because you can always adjust it later. Next, click on the video element you just added. This will open the Settings panel. From here, click on Change Video. A box will appear where you can paste your YouTube link. Go to YouTube, copy the full URL of the video you want to use, and paste it into the field. Once you do that, Wix will automatically detect the video and load a preview for you inside the editor. This usually happens instantly, but if it doesn't show up, double-check that the video is public and not set to private or restricted, because those won't embed properly. Also, make sure you are only pasting the normal video link, not the embed code. Just the URL is enough for Wix to handle everything automatically. Once your video is loaded, you can fine-tune the size by dragging the edges of the player. This helps you fit it properly into your layout and keep your design looking clean and professional. Try to keep it centered and give it enough spacing around it so it doesn't feel crowded, especially when viewed on mobile devices. You can also preview your site to see how the video looks in real time. And if something feels off, you can always go back and adjust the size or position until it looks right. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now successfully embedded into your Wix website and ready for visitors to watch. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.